Want to know the secret to winning her over without uttering a single word? Well, guys, it's time to think beyond smooth talk, because the art of attraction goes deeper than you might imagine. In just a few moments, I'll reveal 10 powerful, non-verbal techniques that'll captivate her interest like a magnet. Get ready to leave your friends scratching their heads, wondering what your secret is as you level up your dating game and master the subtle art of attracting women, all without opening your mouth. 1. Taking up space. Imagine the animal kingdom, where a lion's mane, a bear standing tall, or a gorilla pounding its chest display dominance. What do they all share? They create space, and believe it or not, this tactic can work for you too. Just like animals, humans can exude confidence by taking up more space. So how can you apply this trick in your quest to attract women without a word? It's simple. Sit with your legs slightly apart, or casually drape your arm around an empty seat beside you. By manipulating your space, you establish power and status, making you stand out from the guy next to you. So go ahead, channel your inner lion, and let her notice your confident presence without even saying a word. 2. Touch and lick your lips. Ever wondered how a simple gesture can work wonders in attracting a woman? Let's talk about the power of the lips. When you're having a great conversation and feel the chemistry, try this subtle trick. Gently touch or glide your fingers across your lips. This small move not only draws her attention to your mouth, but also sparks her imagination, making her think about kissing you. But here's the catch. Use this technique sparingly. Keep it natural and smooth, and you'll leave her intrigued and wanting more. So next time you're vibing with someone special, remember this little lip trick and watch the magic happen without a word. 3. Showing social proof. This secret is all about showing social proof. Believe it or not, surrounding yourself with people who accept you can seriously up your game. Still skeptical? Let's talk about a 2015 study from Whitman College. The research showed that potential partners with peer reviews were strongly preferred over those without, regardless of their looks. Yep, that's right. Who you're with can make a huge difference. So what does this mean for you? Time to call up your buddies. And don't forget those female friends. When you're having a good time with your crew, it sends a message to nearby singles that you're a fun and well-liked guy. Trust me, women notice this and can't help but be curious about you. So gather your squad and let your social life work its magic. No words needed. 4. Standing your ground. Want to know a simple way to attract women without even uttering a word? Here's the secret. Stand your ground. No, we're not asking you to turn into a statue, but rather, be mindful of not moving away from the woman you're interested in. Let her decide how close she wants to get to you, whether it's when she first approaches or during a conversation. If she tries to get a bit closer and you instinctively pull back, it could send the wrong signal, that you're not interested, even if it's just shyness holding you back. So remember, fellas, stand firm and let her set the pace. This subtle tactic speaks volumes about your confidence and can make all the difference in attracting her attention. 5. Eye contact with her. Did you know that your eyes can be a secret weapon in attracting women without saying a word? That's right. Eye contact can be incredibly powerful. Our eyes have been crucial communicators from the moment we're born, with studies showing that we follow our parents' gaze even as infants. So it's no surprise that making eye contact can be a potent tool in your arsenal of seduction techniques. When you maintain eye contact with her, you're showing respect and conviction, which can be quite attractive. A steady gaze signals strength and confidence, while constantly looking away might come across as weak or insecure. But remember, it's all about balance. You don't want to stare like a comic book villain about to cause chaos. Just make sure to hold her gaze with the right mix of intensity and warmth, and you'll be well on your way to winning her over without uttering a single word. 6. Final adjustments in public. You've locked eyes with that captivating woman, and she's heading your way. What's your next move to keep her intrigued without uttering a word? Time to show her you care about your appearance. A quick touch-up can go a long way. Run your hand through your hair, straighten your collar, or adjust your tie. These small gestures send a powerful message. You're interested and want to look your best for her. But remember, moderation is key. Don't spend ages fixing yourself up or she'll think you're just another oddball. Keep it subtle and smooth, and you'll be well on your way to sparking a connection without even saying hello. 7. Walking with confidence. Have you ever noticed how some men just seem to exude confidence when they walk? Turns out it's all about that shoulder swagger. A study found that men with this kind of walk are considered more than 50% more attractive. So how can you get in on this? Picture Harvey Specter from the show Suits or Daniel Craig as James Bond, both of whom embody this powerful, confident stride. By swaying your shoulders back and forth as you walk, you'll send a message of strength and authority. Whether you're dressed to impress like Harvey or rocking a more casual look like Bond at the beach, this confident walk will catch the attention of everyone around you, especially the ladies. So next time you're out and about, strut those shoulders with confidence and watch as the magic unfolds, no words required. 8. Using the right gestures. Let's talk about how to attract women without saying a word by using the right gestures. You see, there's this study from the Journal of Experimental Social Psychology that found people generally adopt one of two social stances: promotion focus, where they feel optimistic and open, or prevention focus, where they're more cautious and mistrusting. Now, when you first meet someone new, they're likely to start with a prevention focus. Your goal? Get them into a promotion stage. How? By keeping your body language open and using precise, small gestures. Think about it. Slow down your movements and speech, lean back a bit, and avoid any gestures that might come across as hostile or unfriendly. No clenched fists, hands in pockets, or crossed arms, okay? By steering clear of these vibes, you'll be well on your way to making her feel comfortable and interested, all without uttering a single word. 9. Dressing sharp. We all know that first impressions matter, right? And when it comes to attracting women without saying a word, your outfit speaks volumes. Trust me, women can't resist a well-dressed man. Now, we can't cover all the fashion tips in this short script, but let's talk about the basics. To make a lasting impression, always wear clean, wrinkle-free clothing that fits you well. It's as simple as that. So, what's a go-to outfit that'll grab her attention? Try a pair of fitted jeans, a stylish button-down, and some casual shoes. Chelsea or Chukka boots are excellent choices. By dressing sharp, you'll not only feel more confident, but also effortlessly catch the eye of the woman you're interested in. Remember, your style can be your secret weapon, no words needed. 10. Your signature cologne. Your scent can play a huge role in attracting women. It's true. Our sense of smell is essential when it comes to forming an impression of others. And women have a particularly keen nose, with over 40% more olfactory cells in their brains than we do. So what does this mean for you? It's time to find your signature scent. Since our natural odor combines with fragrances to create a unique aroma, picking the perfect cologne is key. Trust me, the right scent can make all the difference when it comes to catching a woman's attention. But remember, moderation is key. You don't want to overpower her with your scent. Just 2 or 3 squirts should be enough to make a memorable impression. So go ahead, find that perfect fragrance, and let your scent do the talking. So there you have it. These tips will help you attract women without even saying a word. Remember, it's all about body language, confidence, and creating that magnetic presence. Now go out there and put these strategies to work, and who knows, you might just catch someone's eye. If you like this video, then check out these related videos to see more and make sure to subscribe and leave a like.